I come because it's an opportunity to meet with our stakeholders in our community. So stakeholders are critical, so economic development. Economic development cares about not only maintaining the employers that they have in their community, but also attracting new employers. Well, the number one factor in that area is a skilled workforce. So we work a lot with economic development. We work a lot with the Workforce Investment Board system. So we're dealing with a lot of unemployed people that are starting in career pathways. And whether going through NCRC or going into a career path in advanced manufacturing or logistics. E-commerce is exploding, as we all know, so there are huge opportunities in logistics. It's critical for us to meet with these stakeholders. So the Workforce Investment Board communities typically here, they're called American job centers or one-stop centers. We of course get to meet with academia. Academia is critical for us, obviously. We also get to meet with industry. So it's really bringing all the stakeholders in one spot. The Work Ready Communities program has been extremely successful for us. Well, I'd say more so for our customers, which are our community and technical colleges that have already built out relationships with employers in these Work Ready communities. So when we're stacking something like NCRC and MSSC, those employers are getting students that have earned their NCRC credentials and CPT for manufacturing and the Certified Logistics Technician for material handling. So they benefit in multiple ways. But the fact that those work-ready communities are there are fantastic for us. And we're written into 2 apprenticeship programs. We try and include the NCRC into both of those, both pre-apprenticeship and full apprenticeship programs. And that's a case where an apprenticeship program will not work unless you have the employer. So by working with work-ready communities, you already have employers that are on board with NCRC, and then they're just that much happier if they have somebody with an additional certification on top of the NCRC. So it's really a matter of having all the right stakeholders in the room and being able to benefit. You get to hear sort of best practices or continuous improvement. You get to hear their stories, what's working in their community, what's working in their state. So I think everyone benefits.